Since the invention of shoes, you try them on where they're sold. And in the digital age, it stays the same. We call it virtual shoe fitting, a technology that turns regular outdoor media into virtual shoe stores. For the first time, we synchronized 3 Microsoft Kinect devices to scan your feet. We then used this data to render 3D shoes on top of it, in real time. To launch our technology, we went to the most frequented places, central stations. You start by selecting any model and size. To see the shoe like you're actually wearing it. Finally, we made shoe fitting social. So if you're not sure about the shoe, you can share a snapshot with your friends via Facebook. Once you've made a decision, QR codes with your model and size info lead you to the mobile checkout to get it delivered the next day. In the end, we created a new way to use outdoor media, and the fact that you can try on any shoe from the online store makes this the world's largest shoe store.